Well, let's see here. I'm going to go outside. It's pouring. We're having a storm, so let's go see what's going on. See if I can do this without getting struck by lightning. You can see the sky. Oh wow, that's pretty bad. Probably pretty stupid to be doing this, but let's see. I don't know if I want to go any further or anywhere. Maybe I'll go up front. Make my way over here. Let's see what the heck's going on. Yeah. I'll just stand by a pine tree. Ooh, I'm getting stuff in the lens here. There's a little bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. Looks like it's passing though. Get some raindrops on the lens here. I wonder what charge this camera's giving off. Negative or a positive? Well, if I see a lightning bolt come down at me, then I'll know. This is kind of stupid. Well, be something good to put on YouTube. I'm going to put it on the website. Oh, there we go. I want to go over here. I surely ain't chasing those storms, but I don't know where that's coming from. I'm going to clean the lens off again. There go these people down the street 900 miles an hour. Ah, son of a bitch, I missed it. Yeah, there was a nice one right over there and I missed it. See another one yet. Oh, that's good enough. I think it's right on top of me here. I think I'll work my way back. See, I'll stay right here. Yeah, like it won't find me here next to this other tree. I'm right in my backyard, actually. It's the big pine tree in the front yard. You can see to the left there's some leaves. Let's see if I can. I guess that's it. Oh, yeah, that was pretty close. Maybe I will. Yeah, it's starting to come down. Let's see if I can get something without getting lit up. Oh yeah, I know I got that one. That's really close. Keep it right here for another minute. See, it looks a lot darker than it does on this camera in the back, at least. Yeah, that's right overhead here. It's really dark there. Let me get back here. That seems And I got all my computers in the house running, reformatting. So I can go and yeah, I think I'm gonna go in. Maybe I'll stand right here. Probably stupid. How accurate that is, my knowledge, but that pine tree is the tallest thing. If it does come down, that would be where it hits. Gotta wipe off the lens again. Right, and I just missed it. Darn it. We haven't had thunderstorms and lightning like this in ages. Oh, now it's starting to come down. I don't think I could stay out there too much longer. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go in. Alright, that's it. I'll post it.